Welcome back to the Car Life. We actually got another car coming in today. What do we got coming in?
Honda Civic.
It's not a Civic. You know what it is. It's a Honda Integra.
Yeah.
Did you forget?
Yeah.
Is it the same thing?
Yeah.
That's not the same thing. So we actually got an Integra Type-R on its way. He thinks they're the same exact car, but it's not. It's a special car coming all the way from Japan, Yokohama. Isn't that cool? All the way from Japan, just like the other cars. I mean, we got the Corolla, you got the R34, and the R33 is at the shop right now getting some work done. So let's check out this car. He should be here momentarily.
And a Supra.
We don't have a Supra yet.
That's our Supra.
What? Oh, you mean the RCF?
No, the Jeep.
Oh, the Jeep. He's being sarcastic. That's right, folks. We got the Integra Type-R delivered. It is dirty, just like every other car we get, and it's kind of loud. But we'll get all that fixed up, cleaned up. A few dings and dents around it, so we're gonna have to change some stuff around. But overall, it's not bad. It's a pretty good base. We'll make it look good at the end. But yeah, welcome home to the Integra Type-R. We got to park next to the Corolla 11 because I know a lot of people ask about these two, and I don't know, which one do you guys think looks better? Does the Corolla or the Integra look better? And these cars are pretty much the same thing, in my opinion. They're both high revving, 4-cylinder, front wheel drive, sports coupe. The Corolla is 6-speed, Integra is 5-speed. That's the only real difference, I think. But yeah, I'm kind of prone to the Integra. I mean, I love Hondas. One of my first few cars were all Hondas, so yeah, I do like it. I think it looks nice. But yeah, guys, this is it. Let me show you guys the interior real quick. We got the red Recaro in this. So, love the color combination. Looks like my RCF, white with red. That's my go-to. All right, guys. Well, there you folks have it, the Type-R Integra. Thanks for watching, guys.